We're changing all the rear bulbs on the MK4 Golf. So we've got the brake light, indicator light, side light and reverse light. And on the driver's side we've got the fog light, and then above the number plate lights. So on the driver's side of the car we've got this little cover here, but the amount of access that we've got is limited, so I'm going to show you the process on the passenger side. So we open this cover here where the warning triangle and the first aid kit would normally be. So the bulb holder is removed by squeezing together these two plastic bits here. So for the brake light, the indicator and the reverse bulb, we've got a P21W bulb, and for the side light we've got a BA15S, either 5 watt or 10 watt rating bulb, and they're all just bayonet, cap, twist and push to remove. So on the driver's side of the car we've also got the fog light bulb, which the bulb holders are identical on both sides of the car, and we had a bulb on the passenger side but it wasn't operational with the fog lights. The fog light is also a P21W bulb, so on the driver's side of the car we've just got 4 P21W bulbs and the side light bulb. So for the number plate lights we've got a screw on each side of the light. They don't normally come out that easy, I've just had this one out. And we've got a 38mm festoon bulb which just clips out of position and you can replace.